So during that 360 right here, I cut my leg. This video gets 50 likes. We'll come back and we'll go in depth even more. Oh, there it is. Oh. Hey guys, it's after dark right now, as you can see. We've been working on our trick preset for a while now. We finally got it how I want it and everything, like accommodating to tricks, like all tricks, like varials, 180s, drops, all of that goes into one preset. Yeah, before we show it off, let's get it going. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
We're going to be talking about tail height, braking, the aggressiveness you need, dynamic responsing, roll and yaw, jump re-engagement, and zone engagement. Let's get into zone engagement. The first thing, there's no other option. You need to have single zone when doing a trick. There's no other option. You will not be able to land a single trick because you'll only land on half of the board and then your board will shut off and you'll miss the trick. All right, so jump engagement right there keeps my board on while I'm in the air. So when I was dropping without it on, it would stay level and then drop at the end because my foot was off of it and I was very light because I was falling. And whenever I had it on, it keeps it level until I land because it was on and I had it at 4. So it lasted for like however many seconds longer to hit the ground before. So a lot of the stuff I kept the same, like the tail high is still high by -1. It's got to stay high by -1 because I just preference, I like it. Braking aggressive, it stays at -1 because I like to have enough like leeway with the stopping so it'll go up on a curb easier. And the aggressive, I tuned it down by 1 little bar and a little bit more, and I left the other 2 the same because you don't want it to just take off out of you. You want to be able to like ease up into the speed, but like it don't matter after 10 miles an hour. I like the yaw and the roll stay at +1. I love those. As y'all can see, y'all voted for me to talk about those right here, and I love +1 is the way to go because I can easily hit my 180s like easily, my varials easily, chubbits, they're easy too. There it is. My 360s, they're easy too. Put my board over here. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Dude, that was it. Dark mode 360, bruh.
How about a varial 360? I'm gonna just throw it all out right now. You know, just like get every part out there.
The board moved. You moved the board.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it.
You gonna hit it? Yeah. So talk that real quick.
All right, one thing I'm seeing when I'm doing my 360, I've been trying them, is this is what's happening. Watch my board when I go to jump, like it's leaving me. That's with jump engagement 4. So I think we gotta lower that down to like 2 so my board don't have time to throw itself backwards. So let's get that. So we lowered it down 2 clicks right here. So let's see where my board goes. That might be it.
Yep,
that might be it now.
That might be it.
That might be it. So now we ain't moving. Now it ain't leaving me. So I just, ow.
All right, talk through that.
All right, hey guys, so during that 360 right here, I cut my leg. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. And if this video gets 50 likes, we'll come back and we'll go more in depth about everything. Right now that was just a trick preset video, getting everything done, just showing y'all, helping y'all out. So if this video gets 50 likes, we'll come back and we'll go in depth even more. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Good night.
All right. Love you.
Love you, man. Now look at it. Go.
Right. Ah, never mind.
Do it again.
Tripped. All right.
Already recording. Whenever you're ready.
Should I throw it right now?
Yep. Don't hurt yourself, please. Oh my God. What was that?
I couldn't get it on speed drop.
Go with it.
We'll get it.
Oh, wait up. Come here, come here, come here, come
Give
here.
me.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Wait, you have the keys in here?
Keys are in the truck. Wait, no, they're
Okay,
not. Here.
no.
Here.
Throw me the key. I'm gonna be like, key me. And then you go
Oh,
throw
that's
it.
cool. Hey, shut the tailgate again. I want a closer shot of that. Close it.
Wait, should I do the...
Close it.
Key me.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.